culture which overturns common knowledge is born in every generation here in Shibuya. This culture expands while reacting to trends sensibly through creating and demanding something new. You can understand what's going on with the youth of Japan by looking at this district. Tonight we have not unusual walk. We have two in Shibuya area. We know Shibuya because of famous crossing, but there is much more than that. Shibuya commands a younger local audience who patronize the numerous nightclubs, bars, dance lounges and restaurants that it has to offer. Shibuya is also home to the Love Hotel Hill, with a high concentration of love hotels. It is generally less city than Kabukicho and safer. Shibuya is somewhat less city and more easily accessible to foreign tourists without Japanese language knowledge than Shinjuku's Kabukicho district. In Tokyo, there are so many different fashion styles, cultures and subcultures that it's hard for even the most devoted fashion freak to keep up. Shops in Shibuya often stay open quite late, so it is a great spot to heap up some late-night shopping at malls such as Shibuya 109. Lots of Japanese clothing stores in Shibuya offer high-quality but inexpensive items, so youngsters can afford to buy them and complete their trendy and gorgeous looks. Some of the many looks are vintage, hip-hop, wari, gothic, lolita, avant-garde, uncool, otaku, geek, punk, more girl, goody teeny pop and chic. What else can you do here besides shopping? Feed your belly and your eyes with stunning night views. Grab dinner at one of Shibuya's incredible cheap restaurants. Here you can taste perfectly balanced bubble tea. Also, you can join an authentic Japanese tea ceremony. And of course, you can pick up some souvenirs for your friend at home. Tokyo looks like ultra-modern boutique, so don't hesitate to get some interesting thing for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.